Hey dolls, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you a new product that I discovered. Actually, I don't think it's new, but it's fairly new to me. And this is the Kiss Falscara starter kit. Sorry, I removed it from the box, but this is how it looks like. And so these are all segments of lashes that you can put on your actual lashes, so it would look like a kind of a false eyelash extension. And it also comes with an applicator, a sealer, and a bonder. So I'm going to read the instruction. Brush a light coat of bond on natural lashes. A little goes a long way. And then use the included Falscara applicator to pluck a wisp. Pick up a wisp from the middle outer end for optimal control and application. One by one, and gently place the wisp underneath the base of your natural lashes, slightly away from the waterline. Dab on a thin coat of seal and under wisp. This final touch eliminates any sticky residue and holds Falscara wisp in place. So it's pretty straightforward, but I also look online and some of them are putting the bonder 3 times for longer use. So I've already curled my lashes. I'm going to use the bonder, so the rose gold part, and I'm going to apply it on my lashes, focusing like near the roots because that's where it's gonna bond. Should it look like... Oh, it looks like a mascara. So a little goes a long way, it says. So that's the first coat. It's kind of sticky. So I'll wait for about 10 seconds. So I have this tray. Like right off the bat, I think that my problem would be all of this has quite the same length. I want it to be shorter and then longer, but these are all kind of the same length. And they say to pluck it in the middle, like that. And I'm gonna start putting it like that. Okay, I lowered my camera so you can see it better, but I have one on, this one. There you go. Oops, it can easily be removed actually, so just like that. And then there. Whoa, it's actually so easy to apply. So I have the second one. Oh wow. Oops. You really have to be careful with the bonder because it's very sticky. I think I put too much bonder on the outer corner of my lash, and now my lashes are sticking together. Oops. That was really fast. The only thing is now I have this lash, like my actual lash, that is sticking because I think I put too much bonder. I'm just gonna use it. There you go. I have my eyebrow spoolie here. Maybe I should just use that. I actually I have one more segment. I don't know if I should just put it here just so it's more voluminous in the middle. Oh, yeah. I'm just gonna press this up more. It's usually the inner corner that doesn't go up. Can you see how wispy they are though? In the mirror, they look really like out there. But like on the camera, I don't know if you're getting it. So I think I'm happy with this. I'm going to do the seal. So dab on a thin coat of the seal under the wisp. This final touch eliminates any sticky residue. And it's really sticky now, so. Quite happy with it. I just feel like this should be like closer to the other ones. But I think I'm happy with that. I'm gonna be more careful on the other side and make sure that I don't put a lot. And I'm gonna coat my lashes. Once. And I'm gonna let it dry for a bit. And then I'm going to get this segment. And I think I'm going to put a bonder like at the end of like at the lash band. Okay, I'm ready. Just have to, the inner corners are the hardest. I just want to make sure that it really bonds with like my short lashes. But the first one is in. That's the first segment. It's this one. Okay, let's try the second segment. I have to be very careful and make sure that it's really close to the other, or else there's gonna be a gap in between. But now it's just so easy to put on. Oopsies, I'm gonna keep this. I jinxed it. Oh no. I think I have to put more on the ends. So I put more bonder on the ends because I think more there to make sure that it's close. I thought it's going to look dramatic, but like looking at the mirror, it looks like I have really good like long lashes, but I don't know, when I look at the camera, I feel like it's alright. I don't know, what do you guys think? The last one, I'm just going to overlap it with the other one. And just making sure that the glue doesn't stick to my lower lash because of what happened to the first one. Oh, this looks so much better. I'm going to just make sure that... no, you shouldn't press... I want to press it just to make sure that it sticks, but I guess I just need to tap it like this. Because if I press it, it's so sticky, it's gonna go to the applicator. So let's put on the sealer, and I guess after putting the sealer, that's when I'm going to press them together so it's less sticky. I wonder if I should also put it like on my lash here because it's so sticky. Okay, I also put it like on the upper part of the lash. And now I think I can press it together. I'm just going to clean the applicator. I'm going to press it. Oh my god. It's sticky. What about this one? That's the thing, it's still so sticky in the upper part. I feel like I'm gonna remove the lash if I still press it. So I'm just going to use the bottom part of the applicator so it goes up more. So this is how it looks like up close. And when I look straight, and when I look down. So I zoom you out, and I don't know if you can tell, but like from, let's go like sideways. I don't know if you can still see the lashes. Like, I love the look of it. Does it look like eyelash extension? No, it looks more like a falsie. It looks like a false lash, but more of like that natural false lash look. It kind of reminds me of the Demi Wispies from Ardell. I love that it only took us, what, 20 minutes to put it on, and they're very secure now. The only regret that I have is there's like a gap here. It's because I didn't put it too close to the other one. But the right side, I really like how it looks like. It's already 12:08. I'm going to update you at the end of the day how it holds. I have a lot of things planned for today. So I'll be back on the 4th hour and on the 8th hour, and I'll be updating you. So this is the 4th hour. To be honest, the lashes are very comfortable on. I don't even feel like I have lashes on, maybe because also it is under the lash, so you don't really feel it, and they're very lightweight. I just hit the gap over here. Oh, why did I do that? But also they're very secure. I feel like it looks like the first time I have it on. So 8-hour update on the lashes. They are super sturdy, very comfortable on. I just hate this gap still, but initially I wanted to try it out for 8 hours and see how it is. But now that it's really performing well, I'm thinking of doing this overnight. So I'm going to show you how I'll remove my makeup, and I'll tell you how I shower and then how it looks after I shower so that you'll see. But yes, I'll be updating you the morning after how it is. Okay, so when I showered, I directed the water on my back instead of hitting the shower on my face. And then I used micellar water and cotton pads to clean around the eye area. And I used a face towel to wash my face instead of splashing it with water. And the lashes did not clump up together, and it was still secure. It was a little damp, but still very secure. So this is the day after, and I lost 2 segments of my lashes. So I'm missing the end on my right eye and then the inner corner here. So I realized that my inner corner, the lashes, the segment I mean, wasn't sticking like near the root of the lash. It was like kind of in the middle, and that's why it was gone instantly. And then on my right side, that's where I sleep. So I think because I was pushing it this way, that's why it got easily removed. When you have an eyelash extension, they always advise you to not wet your lashes and wait for 24 hours. And it hasn't been 24 hours yet, and I've already wet my lashes. I shouldn't wet it, and I should just use the bathtub instead of like the shower, because also the steam of the shower, I think, really also contributed to why it didn't last, but there's only 2. All of this are still very much intact, and this one too. Although what I don't like about it is that it has like this kind of like white, I don't know if you can see, but like white stuff there. I think it's the glue. But the good thing with this Falscara is, unlike with extension, with this you still have like the bonder and the sealer, so you can actually put the lash back. So I'm gonna, oops, put the bonder on my lashes, and then I'm also going to put the bonder on the lash band right there and reapply. Just gonna press it together. And then I am also going to put the bonder on my left inner corner. Here's the thing, I have really short inner corner lash, so I think that's also part of like the problem with the inner corners. There, now it's back. You can just seal. And you're good to go again. So here's my final thoughts on the Kiss Falscara. I'm giving this product a 4 out of 5 stars, and here are my pros. Number 1, it's so easy to apply. I think even beginners with falsies can easily apply this on. Second, it's very comfortable on. It didn't irritate my eyes, and it was very light on the eyes. Third, it has a good staying power, definitely for the 24 hours. But you just have to be careful and have proper care for it for sure. Just make sure that you don't wet it within that 24 hours. My last pro is that you can reuse them. So for this price, it's very affordable because you can use it again. I think the bonder and the sealer has a lot of product in them. So maybe you can use this 3 or 4 more times. And now here are my cons. You can lose some of your actual lashes during removal as the glue is really sticky. So just be careful to not put too much on your actual lash. Second is that there's not a lot of segments, so if you lose one, you need to buy a new set. Although they also sell just the segments without the bonder and the sealer, which is cheaper. Overall, I would actually recommend buying this Falscara if you have an event and you need lashes that would be secured throughout the day. And to be honest, I think even beginner with lashes can easily use this. Just be careful to not use a lot of the bonder, and again, make sure that you don't wet this within 24 hours. I had so much fun trying this product on. I hope that you learned something from this video. And if you did, don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button and share it with your friends. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll always be updated once a new video is out. Thank you so much, dolls, again for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Bye!